Hey, it's David with Quick Choice Audio Video. Hey, we're at the job site and we got an awesome theater we're working on. And one of the things we want to kind of show you real quick is the screen that we're using. It's by Screen Innovations. This particular screen is a 133-inch screen. We're using Slate material with a 1.2 gain. Now, right now, we just have it on the wall, just showing where we want it placed, that it's level, and then we'll take that frame off and put the screen material on it and put it right back on the wall. So, but one of the reasons why we use Screen Innovations and we use Slate, it's a theater room, and different materials reject a certain amount of light. So, it's also a multi-purpose room. So you're going to watch sports, which most people don't want to watch their sports with the lights completely dark. And so that being said, you want the lights on 50%, 75%. So you want a screen that can reject light and not lose all of its contrast. So we use most of the time a Slate 1.2 in most situations. There's other screen materials used, but anyway, I want you guys to stay tuned. We've got more to come. We'll show you guys how this looks when it's all finished, and we'll have the Sony projector done, and stay tuned. Hey guys, we're back here to show you now that we've got the screen up on the wall with the actual screen material on it. Again, this is a 133-inch Screen Innovations Slate 1.2. Not going to put an image on there just yet for you guys because we got more coming. Plus, we're still working on the projector. Obviously, you need a projector to get an image. So we have the new Sony 4K projector, 695. It's going up in the back of the room. We're doing a few things there, but lots of stuff coming, guys. Once you stay tuned, we got a lot of things we got to show you in this room. With this front cabinet here, we've got all the Dart speakers in. We have all the grill cloth on the doors, all custom made. We don't want to bring those in just yet because this room still has to be clean and whatnot, and we just didn't want to get those dirty just yet. So same thing with the sidewalls with these speakers. Didn't want to get the grills on just yet because we got to clean the walls. So anyway, stay tuned. A lot of cool things happening. We'll get an image on the screen, show you guys what that looks like, and as we move further into this project. So make sure you like this video, subscribe, and have a great choice day. See you next time.